What's the meaning of Capricorn? Capricorn. Capricorn.
Capricorn. Capricorn. Capricorn is one of the zodiac signs in astrology, represented by the sea goat. Individuals born under this sign, which spans from December 22 to January 19, are said to possess characteristics such as being hardworking, ambitious, practical, and disciplined. Capricorns are known for their ability to plan and execute goals, often excelling in career or academic pursuits. However, they can also be stubborn and reserved, with a tendency to prioritize work over play. Overall, Capricorn represents a personality type that values determination and success.